Hi guys, and this is Grace again and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Life in the Province. So for today's video, I'm gonna do hiking again on the top of the mountains. And my relative, my friends, they go with me. My sister not go with me this time because she gonna go back to the doctor for follow-up checkup. And while we're doing our hike, we're gonna pick some Java plum leaf. They're gonna use it to put tobacco on it and sell it. They're gonna sell it. They're gonna put some tobacco on the Java plum leaf and they're gonna sell it to the market. And there's a lot of people been buying with it. So that's one of the they do for living here, mostly in our province. That's what our neighbors been doing every day. They've been getting some Java plum leaf from the mountains because there's a lot of Java plum tree in the mountains. And as you can see, there's a lot. So that's it. So here's the cassava plant here. That one is the Java plum leaf. And look at our view, guys. It's so nice. Very greeny. So nice in here. And we got lucky again this morning because it's not really hot. Very nice. Lots of trees. Oh my god, there's a big bird in here. We can hear the sounds of the bird. Asa gianan day? Wala dire?
Uhaw mo na? Katang koy tingog ba? Uhaw.
Hari pikas. Naraman dalan hari doon.
Naraman dalan na ubos.
Still have a lots of Java plum leaf here, guys. It's really hard to... Nasabot ko sa... Kana ba? Sa bago? Nasabot ko sa kanang kuwan ba? Kana... Ha? Wala eh. Wala eh. Nasabot ko sa kani ba? Kaning ani. Pag-ambak na ko. Oh. Asa daw? Look at this, guys. This is from the honey. They got already the sana dong kana yang honey. They already got all the honey and it's so dry now. Look at that, as you can see. Maybe there's a bee, lots of bee in this area here. Guys, sila kuan palihog dai. Budbud. Napamun to dia upat. So we have this lots of Java plum leaf here. Na-signal diri no? Na-signal. Live ta. Hey guys, nagbalon ni budbud pud guys. Oh, we got this sticky rice.
Ala pa ito. Budbud part. Part na no.
That's the brother of my friend there. Nami ba lang ko it's a big tree of the Java plum tree. Kasaman, nahan. Okay, makita ang view dong ba sa bunton mo picture ta. So we're almost to the other barangay, guys. At the back To our mountains in Kabulihan. Saman.
Pacukan din mere.
Kasi putukan.
Katong ano di ba to?
Oh my god, there's a lot of bee on there, on that tree. Oh my god, there's a mama. That's the giant, there's a giant bee on there. It's not, we're not going closer because maybe they're gonna bite us. They will bite us. Oh, that bee. We're in the jungle, guys, as you can see. Almost no way. Look, sama na. Sama na ang mauna siya pero di man to pure.
Pure na dai.
Ha?
Dana non pure na.
Kana kinire wala dili sagol kinire nakuha ana.
Gani pero ang katong uban lang di pa maliga dong ba namo.
Oo, nanay sagol sa sukal.
Nato na nato asukar.
Nana din nga kanang kita ka ba ikuha. Diri sa una ko gabangan ang lawan ko.
Kani?
Diri gata.
Ay.
Ulawan.
We're in the jungle. In the forest. Huh? Oh, look at the view, guys. How beautiful it is. Oh, very beautiful. Wow. Look at all the mountains. Look at that, guys. How beautiful it is. Very beautiful. So nice. Amazing. Wow. There's a lot of Java plum leaf. And look at the view, guys. Very nice. So that's the road there. Ha? Taman. Adili ra oy. Mga kuan sayon naman na. Namon ko sungko dong. We have a lots of Java plum leaf. They got a lot. Kani palugsong?
Oh, ngadto na sa palugsong.
Sa giagian ni mo dong? Ha? Naglumboy oh.
Ato man tato sayang ka dito.
Nice. Gani okay raman diri. Very nice, guys. That's over there is Canlaon, the other side of the mountains.
Oh. Ha? Daghan kayo? So, daghan kayo dapat pikas nila, dalag.
Wow, there's a lot of java plum tree there. Oh, they are very happy, guys. So they will get a lot.
Umit nilang bumbuyo o sako.
So look at this bamboo, guys, how beautiful it is. Very pretty. There's a lot of bamboo on this side here. So we're almost to the other barangay, the other side of the mountains. We've been getting a lot of java plum leaf. Look at this one, almost one sack. Wow, many. There's a lot. Because there's a lot of java plum tree. That mountains there. So we're gonna go down. We're going to Ulay. And we're gonna walk going to our place in the highway. Very nice here. If I go here alone, I will be lost because I really don't know the way. So one of my friend, she knows where is the way going down, go to the highway. Finally, we are here at Ulay, Barangay Ulay. We're at the highway right now and we're gonna walk going home. Maybe we're gonna stop first for snacks, guys. I'm a little bit hungry. Kana unta dong, sakay ta na dong. Ina dong. Ano ta sa balye ba?
Para to dali.
Hari ba pa? Kalandong ta. Init magayong nako na di oy.
Ay, labang, labang.
Ano ta balye ba? We gonna go to.
Labang, dai good.
We're gonna go to Valle Hermoso, guys. Okay raman good. Hi guys, so we are here right now at Valle Hermoso. So we got there in Ulay, then we ride tricycle coming here to Valle Hermoso, and we have some hot choco. So this place here is a new place. They have some native coffee, brewed coffee, and lots of Filipino delicacy. This is just here in the town and it's newly open cafe. It's been 2 times now. I tried this place and they have that nice coffee. I have this hot choco on here. Hi guys, so we are on the way home. We're walking, so we just take the shortcut way. So we already got some snacks there in Valle Hermoso, and we're walking again going to our house. So lots of cows in here. Cows, big cows. So we really had a good exercise today, climbing walking. And we got that Java plum leaf, that one in the sack. Mushroom, oh. Oh, it's mushrooms. Mushrooms. Saan kita tag-uhong? Lami ang uhong sugbao, no?
Aday ko ganda. Iba ba may bunga? Nada ay gamay. Iba.
Iba ayun, what you...
Nadagana digana.
Nadagan, oy, iba. Kamo, butangan na siya uyap. Lami biya. That one over there, they use it for sinigang soup. It's very sour. Nice view. So we're not climbing now. We're here at the flat ground. We're not climbing. Ha? Hala. Oh my God, that's a long coconut tree. Very tall. Look. It's very tall, guys. Look. So maybe it takes about 20 minutes going to our place. So I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much again for watching and for all the nice comments and for the love and generosity. Thank you so much, guys, and for all my new subscribers, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in my next video.